In today's video, we're exploring the Aria Resort and Casino in Las Vegas. It's located in the heart of the Strip, and it's part of the ultra-modern CityCenter complex. One big favor before we dive in is to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like content like this. Welcome into the standard room with a city view. So let's take a look outside. So you can kind of see like the taxi loop down there, Cosmo, Bellagio, and also Rio and the palms and the mountain scenery out there. Flip it around and we have the two queen beds here. And on this side, we have a lounging chair, paid minibar. The snacks and water is on top, and additional mini fridge and bar is down here. I think this one might be malfunctioning or not plugged in because the fridge isn't cold at all. But I guess that's not really my problem because we're not touching this.
Or it's not plugged in and all the snacks are free.
I'm pretty sure housekeeping's gonna report you. TV over here and workstation. Ew, what's that? Crumbs, not my crumbs on the work chair. It's not a comfy chair at all. I think it's super old, so you kind of like sink into it. It's not ergonomic at all. So yeah, I think a lot of these rooms are overdue for renovation, especially the furniture. Between the beds, you can find a safe here. What's interesting is that even though the room looks super dated, it is up-to-date technology-wise, so you can control everything on this tablet. So you have the room controls here, basics, lighting, drapes, and everything else. You can also order room service, check out all of the restaurant and bar menus, and spas. And if you're not a fan of the tablet, there are switches on the side. I think the art choices here are really interesting because this kind of reminds me of like bacteria under a microscope. Here is Exhibit A, and then if we go over here, this is Exhibit B. Well, the science nerds out there, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. In the closets, you can find the robes and ironing board. It's funny, they have the Aria Sky Suite robes here. Maybe they ran out of the normal ones because this is definitely not the Sky Suite. Ah, here you go, generic Aria robe. Plenty of storage here, and even more closet space. Step inside the bathroom. So you have double vanity, and all of the amenities are going to be white label made for Aria. In here is the shower bathtub combo. So there's no waterfall, it's just one shower head here, or you can choose to take a bath. And behind this door is the toilet. In case you're curious where we are, it's right here. So the whole floor is basically standard size rooms, with the exception of maybe one or two rooms. All right, and that wraps up the room tour. Let's check out the rest of the property. On the second floor of the resort, you can find access to the pool area, which spans 215,000 square feet. There are 3 outdoor pools to lounge around or drink at the pool bar. Right next to the pool, you'll find the spa and fitness area. The fitness center is huge and has a wide range of ellipticals and weight machines. The most unique one is the endless rock climbing wall, which Sebastian loves. For dining, there's a lot of options. If you want something fast and casual, you can visit the food hall. There's a wide range of options from ramen, pizza, burgers, salads, and sushi. If you're looking for something more upscale, there's Carbone, which we'll cover later in the video, Catch, Jean-Georges, and Javier's. Advanced reservations are highly recommended for those. The first floor of the casino has more Asian options like Din Tai Fung, lemongrass for Thai, and blossom for Chinese. For late night quick bites, there's the Moneyline Pizza and Bar, plus Aria Patisserie. Aria is located in the heart of the Strip in CityCenter complex. If you exit the lobby doors, you'll find an entrance to the shops at Crystals, where you can find a wide range of luxury shops. Keep walking through the shops to find the sky bridge that will lead to the Cosmo Hotel, or make a turn and go to the Miracle Mile and Planet Hollywood shops, where you can find even more retail shops. If you're looking to visit the Bellagio, you have a few options. The first way to get there is the free Aria Express tram, or you can keep walking through the Cosmo and take the walkway. The Bellagio Botanical Gardens is a must visit every time we're in Vegas, since they're redesigned every season, and it's a free fun activity. This time around, the theme was Glam Menagerie, a surrealist summer. If you take the Aria tram in the opposite direction, it goes to Park MGM, which is a short walk to the T-Mobile Arena if you're catching a show. Starting off with the complimentary appetizers, we have the famous side of Parmesan They come tableside, scoop it out of the wheel, and put it on the plate for you. It's really good. There's also salami, pickled cauliflowers, then a basket of bread. My favorite in this batch is going to be the garlic bread. So good. All these are complimentary, so keep that in mind in case you're planning on ordering like a ton of food and you plan on eating all of this. First entree is here, and of course we have to get the famous spicy rigatoni. Pasta's cooked perfectly and the sauce isn't too spicy, so don't let the name scare you if you can't handle spice. Perfect vodka sauce, and in case you're worried about the portion, they did split it for us, so in front of me is a half portion. Sebastian also ordered the secret menu item, which is a side of meatballs. The meatballs are huge. The meatball has some bounce when you cut into it, so that's a good sign. Let's try it. Very flavorful, perfectly cooked, kind of unique. It's not one-dimensional like a lot of other restaurants. I'd say it's a good addition to any pasta dish. Next up, we have the veal chop. The portion size is huge. They do serve it tableside on the bone that's already separated, and you take like a little pizza slicer and split it into 4 servings so it's easier for you to eat. So Parmesan right off the bat looks really good. Let's dive in. Pretty good, perfectly cooked, and the cheese definitely adds another dimension to it. Veal marinara sauce and cheese baked all together, and it's the perfect combo. This is also the second most popular dish at Carbone. I kind of like the meatballs better because there's like more of a bounce to it, and I think the meatballs are like perfect for sharing as well. Maybe next time we'll stick with like meatballs, maybe try a salad and see what happens. Seb also liked the garlic bread so much that he asked for another portion. All right, I'm gonna wrap up here and catch up with you in a bit.
A few moments later.
It's dessert time, and we have the complimentary rainbow cookies. See how it tastes. So good. Outer layer is chocolate, and then it's a cookie inside. Perfect bite to end a good meal. Initially, when we filmed the room tour, we turned the AC down. The temperature read 77 degrees. We were like, okay, maybe we'll turn it down to like 68 or 64 and see what happens. Yeah, if the current temperature is still 76 degrees, it's currently like 10 p.m. and I think the AC is probably broken. We went downstairs, requested if we could change rooms. They claimed they're completely sold out, but to be fair, there is a conference here today, so it might be true. Either way, they gave us a $75 food and beverage credit for the inconvenience, and they're going to send an engineer to hopefully fix the AC. For reference, the hallway is a lot cooler than it is in here, and it's nighttime. It's not like I'm gonna leave the door open at night. We're at one of my favorite restaurants, Tai Fung. They are most famous for their soup dumplings. We have the pork version right here. In case you're not familiar, it's thinly wrapped dumplings with meat and soup inside, and this is how you're supposed to eat it. First step is to make your sauce. They give you a little tray of ginger, and they recommend doing a 1-to-3 ratio of soy sauce to vinegar. First up, soy sauce, and then some vinegar. The soup dumplings themselves are super delicate, so it is a skill to actually pick them up without breaking them. They're super hot and fresh, so some people take a bite off the top, let it cool, and then finish the rest. Pretty good. One thing that I'm really impressed with is that regardless of what Tai Fung you visit, it's all very consistent regardless of where you go in the world. Can't say the same for a lot of other chain restaurants. Second dish we ordered are the braised beef noodles, which are also my favorite. It says it's spicy, but I think it's only mild. Noodles are cooked perfectly, nice and al dente. Tried some broth. Really good broth as well. Braised beef is also nice and tender. Overall, Tai Fung is a solid option, regardless if you're eating lunch, dinner, or even a quick snack. Sebi couldn't pass up dessert, so we are trying the brand new shaved snow with fresh mango. New item on the menu, and what makes this one different from a lot of the other restaurants in the area is that instead of using ice as the base, it's actually like frozen milk, and then they shave it, put some condensed milk on top, and top it off with mango. I'm usually not a fan if the place is only using like just straight up ice. but milk ice, I can deal with that. Let's take a bite. It's really good. Mangoes aren't as sweet. Might not be in season right now, but the shaved milk ice is pretty good. Special drizzle sauce along with the condensed milk. Flavors go really well together. And yeah, it is one of my favorite desserts when it's made correctly. It's also really hard to find places that don't take shortcuts. In San Francisco, a lot of the people are just using like just shaved ice and not milk ice. Definitely worth trying if you like mango. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Aria for the location, service, and food. The rooms seem a little outdated compared to the competition, so hopefully a renovation is in the cards. If you made this far in the video, leave a Joker card emoji down in the comments below and I'll try to heart and respond. My question to you is, what are your thoughts on Aria and would you stay here? Plus, what are some of your favorite food spots in Vegas? Let me and everyone else know down in the comments below. See you in the next one.